Hello and welcome to eMind's Technology. My name is Jay Chandran. In this small video, in the short video, we are going to learn about redistribution. Route redistribution. This redistribution is common in all vendor, OSPF or EIGR, wherever the routing is, wherever multiple routing protocol is, redistribution is common. Alright. So we are going to learn in this video about route redistribution. Let's see how to do that. Now here we have a topology with the 4 routers. Router 1 has a RIP on it. RIP is running. I want to show you the IP address on router 1. I have 10 subnet /8 10/8 and then 1.1.1.1 on the loopback. I have 2 subnets, and then on router 3 I have OSPF running. 20.0.0.1 and 3.3.3.3 are the subnets, 2 subnets. On eIGRP, on router 4 I have eIGRP 30.0.0.1 and 4.4.4.4. On router 2 I have these networks, all adjacent routes, and also I have a connected network. Via loopback I have a connected network 2.2.2.2. Now when we have this type of different protocols, how can we learn a route from one protocol to the other? It's only possible through redistribution. Let's do it, and then we will also try pinging from a RIP domain to eIGRP domain, from eIGRP domain to RIP, and OSPF to RIP, and RIP to OSPF, OSPF to eIGRP. And also we will try to ping to this connected network from all the other protocols. Let's see how to do that. I'm on router R1. I want to show you show IP protocol. RIP is already running on this interface, fast Ethernet 1/0, because only 10 subnet is advertised. Let me also advertise one more subnet, router RIP network 1.0.0.0. You can have version 2 if you want. Sorry, version 2, and then this is done here. No auto summary also. Optionally, if you want, you can have no auto summary, because RIP does automatic summarization. Alright, let's go to router 3. And show IP protocol. I have RIP running, OSPF running for this network. So I'll just go under the interface faster than 1/0, and I'll say IP OSPF 1 area 0. This is also another way of enabling. Interface loopback 0. I'll give the same command. Alright, show IP protocol. Now we are running on 2 interfaces. OSPF is running on 2 interfaces. Other proof, show IP OSPF interface brief. 2 interfaces we are running OSPF. Now let us go to eIGRP router. Show IP protocol. Alright, here also we are not running eIGRP on loopback, so router eIGRP 100 network 4.0.0.0, no auto summary. Done. We are sure that eIGRP is running. Show IP route. I don't have any routes to reach 111 or 333, because in the middle router we have not done redistribution. We need to do redistribution on the middle router, meaning you translate from eIGRP to RIP and RIP into eIGRP on R2, because R2 knows about eIGRP, RIP and OSPF routes. Translate from OSPF to eIGRP and so on. The translation is called route redistribution. On R2, let us do the redistribution. First, let me enable RIP here. Router RIP version 2 and then network, only one network, which is 10.0.0.0, right? No auto summary. Done. Likewise, router eIGRP 100, network 30.0.0.0, no auto summary. Router OSPF 1, network 20.0.0.0, 0.255.255.255, area 0. Right. Now we have just enabled OSPF eIGRP RIP only on the relevant interfaces, not on the entire router. So if I type show IP route, I'll get all the routes here. See, I'm learning 1.1.1.1, and then from OSPF, from eIGRP, I'm learning 4.4.4.4. Likewise, from OSPF, I should learn 3.3.3.3. Yeah, it's good. I'm learning all my neighbors, but neighbors, meaning R4, will not learn about any new networks from RIP or OSPF, because we don't do redistribution on R2. So we have to do redistribution. Let's see how to do redistribution. If I want networks on RIP from OSPF and eIGRP, I'll go to RIP first. Router, RIP, redistribute. First I want to do redistribution from eIGRP to RIP. So I'll say redistribute eIGRP 100. Metric, you can set any metric. I'm saying metric is 2 hop counts because it is RIP. Likewise, redistribute OSPF. Metric I want to give as, because it is cost, I want to give as 10. Sorry, OSPF 1 metric 10 or something in a cost. Done. Now if we'll go to RIP router, that is R1, I should see all the routes. Show IP route. Look at this. I got all the routes. 4, 3, right? 4 and 3. That is from eIGRP and OSPF. But if you ping, it won't ping. The reason why, eIGRP has not learned about RIP. Now our focus is on eIGRP. So go to router 2 and say router eIGRP 100, redistribute RIP. Metric is not the hop count, this is eIGRP. You are under eIGRP, so we need to say bandwidth. Let me say 1500 is the bandwidth, and then delay is 1. You can also go and check the interface delay and interface bandwidth and substitute here, or if question gives you the bandwidth and delay, you do that. Otherwise you can randomly do like this. Reliability is 255, loading is 1, MTU 1000, okay, 100 I have given, right? So you can redistribute like this. And then I want to redistribute OSPF 1 metric, I want to have the same metric. Now if I'll go to eIGRP router, that is router 4, I will see all the routes, external routes. See, external routes will have 170 as the administrative distance. But if I ping RIP, it will ping. I am pinging RIP, definitely it will ping because routes have been learned. But if I'll ping OSPF, it won't ping. The reason is OSPF has not learned about RIP routes. So let us go and redistribute into OSPF. Router OSPF 1, redistribute. First let's start with RIP. Subnets you should use because we have subnets on the loopbacks. Otherwise subnets will not be redistributed. Only major networks will be redistributed. Subnet. Next is metric. Here this is this is OSPF. So metric I'll give 10. Likewise EIGRP metric same 10. EIGRP 100 metric same 10. Right. Now I did one, we didn't do mistake, but when I explained wrongly that when you redistribute on RIP, I said cost. It is not cost, it is hop count. Right, when we were redistributing, I have given 10 hop counts for OSPF routes. Fine. Here is what the cost is. Right. Now I should ping from anywhere to anywhere. Ping 4.4.4.4 from here. I'll ping 1.1.1.1. I'll ping. Right, because we have redistributed. But pinging 2.2. Sorry, not from here. I should try from R3. Show IP route. Ping 4.4.4.4. Pinging. Ping 1.1.1.1. It's pinging. Yes, pinging. But pinging 2.2.2 is not possible, because we have not redistributed this 2 to 2. We don't have a special protocol for this, but it is connected. Can we redistribute connected? Yes. How? Like this. I'll go to R2 and say right. Now I'll go to RIP first. Router RIP redistribute connected. It will redistribute all the connected network. Likewise, router EIGRP 100 redistribute connected. Router OSPF 1 redistribute connected subnets. Right. Now if you go to R1, I should see 2 also. Ping 2.2.2.2. I ping. Likewise, ping from anywhere. This 3 will ping 2.2.2.2. Pings. Right. Go through these statements. It's very important. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.